Hey, Social Care, this is your boy Raylo. I'll let you know I'm in Minnesota and it's snowing. It's April the 18th, 17th, something like that. It's Thursday. And look at the snow. Look at all the snow out there. And slushy. Look at the slush. It's slush. Oh, okay. It's all slushy. Yep, and it's snowing out here. Well, anyway, it's Minnesota weather, so if you want to go come skiing or anything like that, this is the place to come. So you remember they say April shall bring May flowers? I don't look like there ain't gonna be no May flowers this year. I think spring been canceled, the groundhog lied, and well, what can I say? Anyway, I'm going to the store and get something, come back home, and after that, and staying in. Just look at the snow, it's real deep. Oh, see how deep it is? Well, anyway, sharing it with you. You know, hopefully I'll see you soon. Social Care be good, and whoever got the warm weather out there, good luck to you. Because we got snow. One more time, take a look at the snow. Look how deep it is. Yep, deep snow. So we out. I'll holler at you later. Later, Social Care. Raylo's out.